Good day guys, I've been here and today I'm going to show you how to model a shape like this one. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's create a conceptual mess. Family. Okay, so new mess. And first, let's create a reference plane. Reference line, circle, and place it here. So, and let's split it. So now we have two half circle, and we will need a dimension, so radius, one for this half and one for this half. And let's create a radius. I'll call it R instance. Okay, sketch is over constrained. Okay, so let's try. So if maybe we only need one. Let's try if it works. Okay, cool. So we only need one radius. So now place one point, draw on face, and place it on this reference line. So I'm going to create a reference rectangle, draw on work plane and set work plane, and pick this vertical work plane and then create a shape like this. Okay. So now we can dimension di. So I'll just quickly use the half of the dimension. So select these two. So and create a parameter. Let's call it h for height. And select these two. I'll create a w. So they are actually half width, but yeah, I'm too lazy to create another. You can create another parameter. So overall width, and then use formula. Overall width equals 2 times w. Okay, but I'll just use w and h. So now what we need to do is select this point. So if I type in 1, it will go to the starting point of this reference line. Okay, so now select this CC and let's just copy another one. So select this point, place on host, place here, and of course you can actually when you place this, you can use type HE. It will go to the endpoint, either that one or this one. So you just need to tab again, so it will pick the endpoint of this reference line. So now we have two profiles. So select this one, and actually, what I'm going to do is select this point. We're going to rotate this by 45 degrees. Okay, so now select this point, tab, select this path, and also this profile, and create a shape. Okay, so now the other half. So if we directly create it from this profile and a path, so you will see we'll create a mirrored of the other half. So which I don't think this is right. So what we can do is let's just Control Z. We just need to select this point and rotate it by 90 degrees, and then select this profile, and together with this profile, together with tab, Control select this path and create a form. Okay, so now if I HH and select this point and change this back to 0 degrees and HR, you will see now this is the shape we need. So we can change this. Let's try. So for example, I'll change the radius to 9 meter. I'll change this to 5 meter and also 5 meter. 5. Okay. So this is the shape. But if you look carefully, so you will see it's actually not matching. So if you I'll show you how. See, look at here. So this curve, it's not matching this curve. See, it's not straight. It's supposed to be smooth. And also here, so you can see it's a little bit pointy here, which is, and also when you look at the shade, the color of the shading, it's not the yeah, it's a little hard. Sorry, it's a little hard to see, but you can tell from, see here, pointy, and the color of the shade color is not very smooth when you rotate it. The color change is, so this is lighter and this is straight away it becomes darker, so it's not good enough. So let's do it. Let's improve it. Okay, let's improve it. So I'm going to just dissolve all the form or the solid, and then I'll just increase the radius so it's easier to say. So okay, so now we just need to I'm just going to add another one on each side, so we can have 3 profile with a path. Okay, so select these, point, reference line, and dimension. CC, I'll just CC another one. Okay, so maybe let's just drag the dimension back a little bit. So I don't know why this is happening, but select this point. Okay, so pick new holes. So this time you can type SM if you want to, or you can just try to where's the other one? So just manually move to find the triangular shape, which is the midpoint. Okay, so now we have 4 profiles, and for each the half, we're going to use 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So because this one's 45 degree, okay, so this one will be half of the 45 degrees, which is 22.5. So now if I select 1, 2, 3 and create form, oh sorry, wrong one. So 1, 2, 3 together with this path, okay, create form. So we can't tell from only half of them, we just need to finish it. So let's create another half, so 1, and also sorry, before that we need to rotate this. So currently it's 0. It need to be you can type a formula here. So instead of calculate it, you use the calculator. So you can 22.5 plus 45. Okay, so now select this profile. Okay, Control select this one and Control select this one, and also tab Control select this path. Create form. That's it. So now if you look at closely, you will see it's very smooth, right? Perfect. And if you look at the color over here, so you can see it's very smooth path past that edge. So when the color change, it's very smooth, right? So, and also you won't see any angle. Okay, so that's it. It's very it's quite simple, and let's try change the parameter. Okay, so maybe I'll try 12 meter. Yep. Maybe 6 meter. Let's try 3 meters. Let's try different dimension. Yeah, it looks like we're having some issue when we have different dimension, but yeah, I think the geometry is correct. Just only because that when we have different dimensions, just we won't have the smooth, like the continuous edge. So we just need to use the same dimension too. And also if you want, so currently it's a shade, so if you can also turn off the line, and you will see, you can see the edge better, I think, right? So that's it. And of course you can just use device surface, and then you can use all those patterns to, if we want to, but today I'm going to leave this to you. So and if you have any questions or ideas or suggestions, if I'm not sure what it looks like on your end, but if you, I'm not sure if you can find a community tab, or but you should be able to find all these posts. Sometimes I post on my YouTube channel, and you can always leave a comment, and you can always add put a link. So okay, so it's easier for me to follow. Okay, so okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Okay, so thank you. Bye.